Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janera and today I'm going to be reviewing the Passion Twist by Lulu dress. Okay, so my aunt did this hair about 2 weeks ago. And I want to say it took her about 5 to 5.5 hours. I did have to run back to the beauty supply store to get more hair just because I really underestimated how much I would need to get the full look that I was going for. But we ended up using about 5 packs in the front and then 7 packs of the pre-loop twist in the back. I did do the 18-inch in the front and the 24-inch in the back. For the highlighted color, I did use the 1B-30. And then for the black, it's the 1B color. Also, I did ask her to clip my ends just because with any protective style, the reason why I really love them so much is because it gives my hair a chance to grow without me having to manipulate it, and I can just put it away for 2 months and just retain as much length as possible. So really don't forget to clip your ends before you get into any protective style. I will say I also didn't blow dry this hair before coming in to get it twisted. I did wash, condition, and just twist it up using a good leave-in the night before, and so then when it was time for her to braid it, it was pretty stretched out and pretty manageable because I had already combed through it. And also I do recommend using an edge control or a gel just to further sleek your hair, but you don't have to. Just do whatever's best for you and whoever's braiding your hair. But no heat is needed at all. Okay, so another thing to remember that my aunt and I did not understand the last time she did this style for me last year is make sure that you don't braid your cornrows too tight in the back because you have to pass the needle through it. And she's a really tight and neat braider, so she naturally just braids tightly. And that's okay for a regular style, but trying to get the crochet needle in there was so painful afterwards. So just make sure that it's tight enough to where it's neat, but loose enough to where the crochet needle will be able to go in and out of the hair seamlessly without causing you any pain. Okay, when I went back to the beauty supply store, I did exchange the T1B-27 for the T1B-30, which is why I'm covering it with my finger right here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the braiding pattern and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, I forgot to record the crochet technique while she was twisting the hair, but I'll show you the technique that we use for the back. Okay, grab your crochet needle. Make sure that the hook is open when you pass it through the hair. Then pick up the hair. Make sure you close the crochet needle before slipping it to the other side of your hair. Now pull the hair through and then loop the hair inside of that little circle space. Okay, so this is the finished look of the hair. This is my first time adding color in there, so it was a little bit of an adjustment for me. Even while we were putting them in, like I got so much of the colored hair, and then as she was about to put like a braid of color, I was like, let's put one B there. Like I was that person while she was braiding, but overall I think it came out nice. This is the back of the hair. You can't really see the individual plaits. I did pull some out of the back just because I thought it was too packed. Like I thought it was way too much hair in my head. But overall, I do think it came out well. This is where it comes down to. The front of the hair is 18 inches. This is the front. This is where the 18-inch comes down to. And then in the back is the 24-inch. You can see that well. But yeah, overall, I think the 18 and the 24-inch go well together. This is with all of it, like the 24 is down here, 18 stops like up here. But I like the layered look. And yeah, this is how the hair looks. This is the Passion Twist by Lulu Tress. I believe that's what it is. I will put the picture and show you the packaging in a second, but I just wanted to show you how it came out. And yeah, I love it. Sorry, one last thing I forgot to add. It is the same brand, but on the packaging, these two colors are supposed to be exactly the same. Like it says that they're the same color, but clearly you can see that it looks like two completely different colors. I saw it when I was in the store and I was like, maybe it's because like this one is by itself and like this is already pre-twisted, so maybe like, you know, the color just looks lighter, but no, they're two different colors. Completely different colors. I will say I really do recommend this Lulu Tress Passion Twist as a protective style. I am expecting it to last about 1.5 to 2 months, which is exciting because it'll give me time to like just leave my hair and let it do its thing so that like I'm not manipulating it and playing in it, and I can retain some length hopefully. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions about this hair, please feel free to comment or leave me a message or email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe below and turn on the notification bell so that you can see when I post again. Okay, have a good day everyone. Bye.